Hi guys, we're making a sweet mustard salad dressing that goes really well with the salad that you just watched, and it's very easy. It has just a very few ingredients. I don't buy salad dressings from the store and put them in a bottle that is gonna last for weeks. The ingredients are in the description box below, but it's basically oil, apple cider vinegar, mustard, sugar, salt, and pepper. And that's it. You can substitute the sugar for honey if you want to, but it's the sugar dissolves really well, or much better than the honey. And you just mix it in a little jar that you have at home that is very clean, and mix it together. Use it in the salad that day, and that's it. You're done for that salad. And I want to say thank you to my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. I have more recipes on my playlists, so check them out. Thank you for the thumbs up, and share on social media if you can. Thank you. That turned out really good. It goes super good with that salad. Chaito.